Hi, I'm Brianna, a student at WVU Parkersburg. Today, we will be covering how to use MyDegree. First, you're going to log into ULSYS and click on your student profile. In the sidebar on the left, click on MyDegree. At the top, select the degree you are currently pursuing. Clicking on the academic tab just below this, you are then able to see the progress you have made in your degree, your overall GPA, classes that you have completed and not completed, those that are in progress, and more. This section is useful to determine the classes that are still needed in your degree before you can graduate. Ensure that you regularly check on this and meet with your advisor to discuss and plan classes that you are willing to take. At the top of the page beside the academic tab, click on the What If tab. Here you are able to select the options to see what classes you would have to take if you chose to study a certain major under specific associate and bachelor degrees. You can also add in any future classes that you would plan to take.